You've heard a lot about artificial intelligence, generative AI, agentic AI, blah, 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 blah. Let's skip the buzzwords and show you what it actually does. At Raindrop, AI isn't a science project, it's your sidekick. Here's how it helps you crush the day. Tired of digging through contracts to find expirations? Wouldn't it be great if you could just ask and then easily sort your results? Maybe you just want to know what issues you need to tackle first. Ugh, invoices on hold. Group by hold type and see the total impact. And sometimes you just want to know everything you can about a partner you're working with. Or just buy something quickly so you can get on with your day. Maybe you don't want to spend the time and expense to have legal draft every contract. Check out your fully drafted agreement and perform a risk analysis. Digging through the details of a long sourcing event can be cumbersome. Have Rain summarize the event to get the highlights. Let Rain handle the tedious so you can focus on the genius. Want a deeper dive? Rain drop us a line.